Parcel day. Right, so last week I had 3 parcels come in from all over the world basically, but this one I did open. I haven't picked it yet, but I know who it's from and I'm absolutely buzzing. There was no way on this earth that I thought I was going to get one of these locks. I reached out to the company a couple of years ago when I first heard about them, and they said they were going to send us a lock, but in the end, for whatever reason, they must have been really busy, because they are excellent locks, and they just didn't get ready to send us it. So I'm not offended at all, but I'm glad to have one. And this one comes, I have opened the box, so I'm not going to be picking this out of the box or anything like that, because I need to know who it was from, because this was generally a surprise package. I had no clue that this picker was going to send me a lock, and to this day really I can't even think how he's got my address, because I can't remember whether my name's traded or not, because I did take a break out from picking, so my memory wasn't fresh. But somehow, none other than himself, the big man, Mr Albert Lebel, sent us a picture, a letter saying, "Dear UK lockpicker, please find enclosed your new forwarded Packlock 200A channel stickers and business card from Albert Lebel in appreciation of your support for his channel as well as the wider Locksport community. With his kindest regards and best wishes on behalf of Albert Lebel, aka Big Al." So honestly mate, thank you so much for sending me one of these locks. It's one that I've wanted in my collection for a very long time, and I'm really thrilled to have it. Anyone who doesn't know Big Al, head over to his YouTube channel. He picks absolutely wicked locks. His channel's awesome, and he's just an absolute gem to have in the community. So the 200A lock has come in a lovely box from the Pacific Lock Company, which is short for Packlock, or the name of Packlock. I don't know where I put the rest of the stuff. I'm just going to put that box to one side and have a look at that. So that's the box, and this is its contents. I think he said it included a nice business card. So that's all of his details. I am going to link him in the description below, in the cards above, and in the bottom of the screen here, because really his channel is absolutely sick. So I'll put that up there. I will have a board at some point. This is quite a new work area, but I'm going to try and get a board, and anyone who sends us stickers, I'll be promoting their channel on the board. Seems to be the done thing. He's also sent us a couple of stickers. Oklahoma. So yeah, this has come all the way from Oklahoma. Absolutely feel blessed, I do. So I'm going to put them aside until I get the board sorted. But the Packlock, and what does the lock look like? That's the lock, beautifully made. Love, really nice machining on this. I had a lock similar to this, and it was called it was a Yale 50mm aluminium body, like in an ice blue, but for whatever reason I lost it. But the writing on this is absolutely lovely. Mint logo, I love that logo. Now the keyway looks very similar, or if it might even be an American car. The last one that I picked, I just remember the F shape. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't pick a lot of American locks, but it looks very similar. But yeah, lovely. I'm guessing it'll be key retaining. So you can't pull the key back out. Double ball mechanism, locking mechanism. Just beautifully made. It's lovely. The key bitten and the key again. The work on the key is lovely. It's a decent bitten. So you got a low, high, low, high. So let's see how many pins it's got. So it's a 6-pinner, or I've counted the pins wrong. I'm going to put this in the vise, and then we're going to see if we can get it picked. Now I don't want to damage the lock, so I am going to put something around it. Maybe some cardboard or something. I'm going to put around it bubble wrap. If we wrap that around there like that. As soon as it's come from overseas, I'm going to try and pick it that way. Pins facing down. Not my usual done thing, but I'm going to give it a go, just for shits and giggles. That's it. I'm going to go in there with a pry bar and see how I fare. I don't know if that will work. I think it's a little bit too short, but top of the keyway tension. Let's try and zoom in for you, just to see if we'll get any false sets or anything. I'm going to pick off the bottom. Right, so 1, binding, give it a pick. 2, click. 3, a click. 4's loose. And the gun's a little bit weird after that, but I'm going to come back to the front, check in for set. 2 is binding again. 2 set. 3. Leave him, see 4's binding. 4. Probably get another click out of that, I reckon. Nope. Number 5. Click. Come back to the front. Happy with 1 and 2 for now. 3. 4. 5 stiff. Let off the tension just slightly. That's it. 6 is springy. 1, 2, 3 is springy to a dead stop, so I'd say that that was in the right position. 4, 5, and nothing. I think I might need a deeper hook, so we're going to change over to the Wes pearls. So 1, 2, another click. 3, another click. 4, nothing. 5, another click. 6, click. Back to the front, work my way back through again. All systematic here. Nothing on 3, 4, nothing. 5, nothing, and 6, nothing. So it's actually open. I'm not used to picking locks with spring tension because I do a lot of Euros, but that is actually picked. There you go. So that's the lock picked. That's my first ever padlock on the channel. If I put it there and zoom out, hopefully it doesn't skip too much. And get in. I've got a light around my camera. But yeah, it's my first padlock picked. Buzzing that it's come all the way from Oklahoma. Absolutely thrilled with the lock. Decent bitting. We're going to see if we can get this gutted as well. Ah, it's only an Allen key. Oh, mate. Oh. I haven't got any Allen keys in front of us. What an absolute knob. Try this one. Oh, just by the skin of my teeth. I've had to use a flat screwdriver head to get an Allen key out, which isn't ideal. Maybe it's this set that I've got Imperial. I'll set her aside. Right, so now I can cut it. So that'll just come off. This will come out. I'll set that to one side. So that's it picked. I'll lock it back up because I've got the key. Put her in. Turn it round a bit. Right, here we go. Try not to lose it. That's it. And all I need is a pin and tray. Just got a few little bits and bobs on there, but we're just going to ignore them for now. This one's pretty cool. It's got this one's magnetized. This one is. Jeez, what a fudge up this has been. What we're there now. Right. So I think what I need. Just kind of got that old school way. I'll find the tweezers. So at the back is a standard, and we've got a nice deep serrated pin. I don't know what's up with my camera, but it is flashing again. I can see it is. Something I'm going to have to look into. And then we've got a spool. I will give you a close-up with this at the end like I normally do. Serrated. Another spool. And lastly but not leastly, serrated. Take that out. Have a look at the way that these pins move. So a lot of them are in play. So I'll put the key down. So at the back, tiny little pin, standard, 5, standard, is it a standard? Yeah. 6, standard. Oh, not a serrated. It's a serrated key pin, that is. 3 is a standard. 2 is, and number 1 is a serrated. I'll look at the car. I don't think there's any countermilling in that I can see. So yeah. If I can bring this up, yes, a bit might be able to get a better view. That's what I was up against. Oh. Lovely set of pins. So we've got a serrated, a spool, a serrated, a spool, a serrated, and a standard at the back at number 6. And then if we look closer, you can see that number 1 and number 4 has serrated key pins. So Albert, you're an absolute star, my friend. Thank you so much for sending this. I'll be sending you an email to thank you personally on another level, and obviously I look forward to your future videos, and I hope everyone liked this one. Nice getting a parcel all the way from Oklahoma, and I couldn't appreciate it more. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that like and leave your kind comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.